What is a linear function? A linear function is a function that can be written in the form f of x equals mx plus b, where m is the slope of the curve and b is the y-intercept. The graph of a linear function is always a straight line. Let's take a closer look at this expression. F is the name of your linear function. In general, you name functions with letters in the alphabet starting with F for function, then G, H, and so on. It's also common to use the letter Y instead of f of x, like this, because the function value can be read off of the y-axis, the name for the vertical axis. In the following examples, f of x will be used for the function and function value. Let's take a closer look at how linear expressions work. The graph of a linear function can be expressed in a coordinate system as a straight line, like this. Here, m is the slope of the linear function, and b is the intercept between the graph and the y-axis. You can tell what m's sign is because if the graph goes up as it increases to the right, that occurs in cases when the slope is positive. Likewise, it travels downwards and to the right if m is negative. It's a horizontal line with no slope at all when m is equal to 0. In upcoming videos, you will go further into all the different aspects of linear functions. Let's look at an example. F of x equals 2x minus 1. Here, the slope, m, is 2, which tells you that when the input x increases by 1, the output, f of x, will increase by 2. Notice that this increase is constant. This is true for any linear function, and it's why the graphs of linear functions are straight lines. In this example, the y-intercept, b, is equal to minus 1. It tells you where the graph of the linear function intersects with the y-axis. A linear function is a function that can be written as f of x equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. The graph of a linear function is always a straight line.